All right, welcome back. Video number 2. I'm Lawrence, the handy guy person. We'll work on that name. Today, I'm going to get this used chainsaw that I bought a few months ago. I'm going to finally put it to some good use. I'm kind of an amateur chainsaw person, and I've got a Husqvarna 455 Rancher. Very exciting. Around here, small towns, in New England, we have listservs and people post stuff that they want to sell, used items. So I got a sweet operating manual for it, which is important because I've only used a chainsaw a few times. And then I've also got I've got to put some gas and some chain oil in it. So stay tuned. So some pretty straightforward things. Got some gasoline. Chainsaws are 2-stroke engines. So you've got to put the engine oil into the gas instead of separately adding engine oil. So a couple critical things. I hate getting oil everywhere and gasoline everywhere. So got my paper towel handy. Gonna mix up, I got a fresh gallon of gas here. Gonna mix up this oil with it. This is the size for a single gallon. I got another one just to make it easy. The one thing I haven't done yet is label this because I've got another can that looks just like this that has regular gas in it. So that's gonna be kind of the second thing I do after we're done here. Then I got some bar and chain oil. So that's what this other thing is. And I got my funnel for that. So first things first, let's mix this thing up. This gas can came from Home Depot. It's got all this fanciness to it. I inherited one that was similar to this. It works pretty decent. Show that to you in a second. Oh, come on. All right, here we are. I'm out back. I got the chainsaw. I got ear protection, eye protection, hand protection. If I was real serious, I'd have a helmet. I'd have a whole face mask. I'm just a backyard chainsaw person. So, yeah, don't give me such a hard time. Okay, let's do it up. You can see you pull the choke out, that turns it on. This is already in, so we are all set to go. Make sure the chain is disengaged. Oh, and then we got to pump this guy until we can see some water in there. All right, on, choke. And that's pretty much it, other than forgetting how to start and operate the choke. It's all set. I think I gotta sharpen the chain, but anyway, I'll give you some more footage of me using the chainsaw because I'm such an expert. Well, after a few cuts, it's very clear that the chainsaw needs sharpening. So, off to another project.